All right, we got chicken and watermelon today. It's not fried chicken. I know chicken and watermelon is usually like a fried chicken type thing, but I mean, it's fried. It's fried in the pan, but not like breaded and fried chicken. Not like fried chicken. Just pan fried, pan sauteed. I don't know. I'm just gonna fucking eat. Wow. It's like peanut butter and jelly, man. It just works. I'm not gonna lie, this chicken is fucking fire. It's so juicy. Gotta eat that gristle and some bone. I think this is like the heart